Now, AMC stock had another great day today. Guys, it closed above $30 per share. I believe it was $30.30 per share today. But there was actually a lot of people in the live stream that were saying, I wonder why AMC's having kind of a lackluster week, why it's not moving up. You've got Ortex estimating or giving a short squeeze signal, saying that we are currently in a short squeeze based on the numbers and the price action. You've got people out there that were expecting a gamma squeeze because of last week's numbers and the price action that we saw on Friday. So there's kind of the sentiment out there that we're not reaching expectations. And these expectations, they come from different places, but they come from people always telling you that tomorrow's going to be the squeeze, and tomorrow there's going to be the squeeze, and tomorrow AMC is going to $100,000 per share. So number one, we need to keep realistic expectations. But number two, let's talk about what's going on here and kind of, justify these expectations that we have. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks, you can use the link in the description for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account, and a $100 deposit is going to get you at least 5 free stocks, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you at least $5 in free crypto too. But you need to take advantage of that by December 23rd, because then it's over and it's most likely going to go back down to 2 stocks per new account. And if you, guys, you don't have to make a trade. So go out there, open the account up, and get that bonus while you still can. And, take advantage of the free stocks there. But AMC stock, talking about expectations, talking about what's going on here, a lot of people may have been expecting a short squeeze because of Ortex signaling a short squeeze. Let's talk about that just briefly, because although it's nice to look at estimates and to look at signals like that, these signals are strictly like technical analysis of the price. If the price goes higher than a certain percentage in a certain period of time, it triggers their signal. And this could be for a variety of reasons. This does not have to be because of shorts covering. Now, Ortex did a very good job. They do a very good job of estimating, right? They have been wrong. They have been right. But they've done a very good job at marketing themselves as kind of like the short squeeze database. You need Ortex data if you want to know about the AMC stock short squeeze. They did a very great job of marketing themselves as the leader, as the go-to place, as the only way you can understand what's going on with the short squeeze. And knowing that, a lot of people rely on Ortex data when it comes to the AMC stock short squeeze. And seeing Ortex signal an AMC stock short squeeze leads a lot of people to believe that we're experiencing the AMC stock short squeeze. They forget that these signals are just generated by price action and over a certain period of time. And it doesn't go into actual shorts covering that would cause that. Because at the end of the day, guys, Ortex only knows how many shares are being borrowed and how many shares are being returned. It doesn't actually know where these shares are coming from, who's selling them, whether or not there's short shares being covered, whether or not it's retail traders going out and buying and selling shares. Nobody knows whose shares are being sold when they're being sold. We only know that shares are being bought and sold. We can only see the volume. So I just want to manage people's expectations in a way that, yes, keeps people optimistic, because at the end of the day, the short squeeze numbers right now are excellent for AMC. They're at higher levels than they've ever been before. AMC's fundamentals are doing better than we've seen in the last couple of years. So all signs are pointing to a positive direction for AMC. But having a signal like this telling you that it's a short squeeze, it's too good to be true. And especially on a day like today when, Friday had an excellent day, so now Ortex is signaling the short squeeze. That's basically what you're seeing there. Other things, gamma squeeze. Max Pain last week was actually at $32 per share, and we closed at like $29 per share, I believe. It was a little over $29 per share on Friday. So we did have a lot of options expire in the money, yes, but it wasn't enough to really cause a gamma squeeze and cause a ton of buying to come in this week and drive the price higher. That's what a gamma squeeze is. If options expire in the money and those options are not accounted for, and the sellers of those call options have to go out there and buy up shares to fulfill those call options, then that buying, that demand to buy those shares in AMC stock would drive the price of AMC stock higher. So a lot of people may have had kind of the misconception that we were going to gamma squeeze this week, and we didn't. But I would also say realistic expectations. You got to look at the options numbers to know what's expiring in the money, and then based on that, you still don't know actually how many of those shares are owned by the option seller. So you would assume that the vast majority of them are already owned, and that some of them would have to be bought up this week. So still, volatility is increasing in AMC. It's going to attract more day traders, more options traders. This could lead to increased prices because of the increased volatility. Still good on that front. Like you have to realize that all of this information is good. Some people were just promoting it to be better than it is, or better than they should have, I should say. And man, I saw it all over the place too. There were a lot of people saying that the AMC stock short squeeze was going to happen because of the rally we had last week, because of bouncing off that $20 mark, rising 50% in price. They get excited, man. They get excited fast, and then it's always this squeeze for a lot of people. And although I do hope that the squeeze, I'm one of them that hopes the squeeze happens, today, tomorrow, and so on. But we have to realize too, these hedge funds it's not just a game, man. It's not just a game, and it's not just something that we can continually say is going to happen tomorrow, and it's going to happen tomorrow. We need to realize that it's not easy to take billions of dollars from hedge funds whose sole purpose in life is to make money with the money that they invest. Guys, you don't become a billionaire by caring about people's feelings. These guys are ruthless, and they will absolutely do whatever it takes to stay in the game. So we have to do whatever it takes to stay in the game, but we have to do whatever it takes to stay in the game and beat them. So, manage your expectations. Be ready for the long haul, because we are here and we've been in the long haul already, so we are not giving up now. And of course, inspire the rest of us in the comments below to continue holding, having fun, and absolutely making as much money as possible in AMC stock. If that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will Binance Gemini in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.